Hello everyone, my name is Director Balin Henry, a music producer. Before I begin everything, my request is that you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Director Balin Henry Official, so that I may grow and also get to have something that can keep me going, as you know, as usual. So kindly support me by subscribing. Don't forget, please, I beg you. Now, today I have this song, ya Zuchu mama. That is Sukari, so I want to make that Sukari in Ohangla version, so that you may get to know how it sounds when it is in Ohangla version, okay? And through this tutorial, I know it entertains you, it motivates you, and for those who need more on how to make them, or contacting me through the number that is below the screen, okay? Now let's get into the thing. So I had prepared most of my things, okay? So don't get worried. I had prepared most of the things. Sukari, sugar, sukari. That's very good. So that's the thing. That is it, that is it, that is it. So let's add something here. Let me add something here. Something here. So that is it, intro. Now that is a simple way of making that song so that ina sound Ohangla sasa. So that's the thing. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for watching my video. May God bless you. May God continue blessing you. For those who are subscribing, thank you so much for being there for me. Continue supporting, continue sharing, continue commenting, so that I may also grow. I be the product of my fans.